Official language of the Borneo states of Sabah and Sarawak. In terms of language rights in the Borneo states of Sabah and Sarawak, we must understand the distinction between national language, official language and native language. These three terms are not the same. Unlike national language and native language, official language is the language of the government. Under Article 152 Clause 6 of the Federal Constitution, official purpose means any purpose of the government, whether federal or state, and includes any purpose of a public authority. All the paperworks, correspondence etc. by the government use official language. The rights of the Borneo states of Sabah and Sarawak over the use of official language are provided by Article 161 of the Federal Constitution under Part 12A, Additional Protections for States of Sabah and Sarawak. The current heading for Article 161 is the use of English and of native languages in states of Sabah and Sarawak. Specifically, the use of English language as the official language of the Borneo states of Sabah and Sarawak is provided under Article 161 Clause 1c. It expressed that Article 161 Clause 1. No Act of Parliament terminating or restricting the use of the English language for any of the purposes mentioned in Clauses 2 to 5 of Article 152 shall come into operation as regards the use of the English language in any case mentioned in Clause 2 of this article until 10 years after Malaysia Day. c. To the use of the English language in the state of Sabah or Sarawak in the Legislative Assembly or for other official purposes, including the official purposes of the federal government. This means, Parliament cannot terminate or restrict the use of the English language as the official language in the Borneo states of Sabah and Sarawak. Additional protection for the use of English as the official language in the Borneo states of Sabah and Sarawak was also provided by Article 161E of the Federal Constitution, under the current heading, Safeguards for Constitutional Position of States of Sabah and Sarawak. Specifically, it was provided under Article 161E Clause 2d of the Federal Constitution. It expressed that Article 161E Clause 2. No amendment shall be made to the Constitution without the concurrence of the Yang di Pertua Negeri of the state of Sabah or Sarawak or each of the states of Sabah and Sarawak concerned, if the amendment is such as to affect the operation of the Constitution as regards any of the following matters. d. Religion in the state, the use in the state or in Parliament of any language and the special treatment of natives of the state. This means, Parliament can only terminate or restrict the use of the English language as the official language in the Borneo states of Sabah and Sarawak, subject to the votes of not less than 2/3 of the total number of members of either House of Parliament as specified under Article 159 Clause 1 of the Federal Constitution and also the concurrence of the Yang di Pertua Negeri of the state of Sabah or Sarawak or each of the states of Sabah and Sarawak concerned, as specified under Article 161E Clause 2 of the Federal Constitution. Even during the proclamation of emergency under Article 150 Clause 6a, no provision of any emergency ordinance and Act of Parliament can be extended with respect to the use of English as an official language in the Borneo states of Sabah and Sarawak.